Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Shopify app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and the Shopify mobile app is designed to let business owners manage their online stores directly from their phone. It offers tools to track orders, manage inventory, communicate with customers, and even process payments, all in one place. The goal is to give entrepreneurs flexibility and control without needing to sit at a desk all day. Many users appreciate the app's convenience. Being able to check sales in real time, fulfill orders, and update product listings while on the go makes running a store much more efficient. Notifications help store owners stay on top of new orders and customer messages instantly. For small business owners especially, this can feel like having an entire back office in their pocket. On the positive side, Shopify's app integrates seamlessly with the desktop platform. That means you can start setting up a product on your computer and then finish editing or managing it on your phone. The interface is clean, simple, and designed for quick actions, which is especially helpful during busy sales seasons. Many users also note that the analytics are clear and easy to digest. Still, the app isn't perfect. Some advanced features from the full Shopify dashboard, like in-depth reporting, bulk editing, or certain app integrations, are limited on mobile. A few users mention occasional glitches when uploading product photos or making updates. And while the app is free to download, running a Shopify store itself comes with subscription costs that may not be ideal for beginners. In summary, the Shopify app is worth using if you're a store owner who values mobility and needs to manage your business on the go. It's not a complete replacement for the desktop version, but it's an excellent companion for handling day-to-day store tasks quickly and efficiently. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.